Those people who in my life I've seen happy have always realized that they are privileged to have either money or fame or respect in a society, and they use it for the benefit of others. They are the happy ones. People who I found the most miserable are the ones who live for themselves. This idea that accumulating wealth will give you happiness, I'm afraid in my life, very rarely have I seen people who've chased money. Very rarely have I seen them happy. And when you have a setback, there's a quotation from who's my great role model, who I follow as the greatest philosopher poet of the subcontinent, probably the best Muslim brain in the last 500 years, Iqbal.